drop from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Adidas collaboration. These are the Splinter shoes. They are shell-toed also, just kind of like the other ones, but they have a very much different look. So we're gonna hop right into it. Now, I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. I hope there's a box inside of here because it's just moving around inside of it. And it's a plastic shell. So if it's not, the plastic shell might be I don't want it broken or, oh man, see, that's what I mean. Oh. It is totally just bubble wrapped and put inside of here. I hope it's okay. Oh my goodness, do they look so slick. Oh man. Oh. So yeah, we're just gonna get right to it. Oh man, goodness gracious. Yep. So I just got the Corn Adidas collaboration shell toes also, and the campus are like these. They have that towely material. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get to it. Yep. We're not gonna break the seal. My other one's up in my closet from my other set. This should slide right out. These. But it does look like it made it. My other ones even broke right here. But these seem to be good. Awesome. I guess this is the unboxing. Oh, ta-da! Set that there. Oh man. Dude, I might leave these almost exactly as they are, and I am not one to do that. I like the ratty look, so to say. You've got the, like I said, they're kind of frayed all around, everywhere, and I'm not mad about it. Laces. I don't think I'm going to use either one of these laces. Not even... dude. Look, they're like made for these. Let me see. We can get a focus. Okay, I guess that's it. We're gonna put them on. I don't even need to relace them or anything. Refocus. I'm never a fan of the laces out though. Oh, here's my tag. Oh, because the other one came with a lot more charms. Let's see here. Seek victory on the tongue. What did I say? Not fairness. think these come out like the other ones. Oh, they do. Definitely gonna leave these up. Oh goodness. I'm gonna undo these. Can't wait to wear them. Normally, like I said, normally I will go through the laces and show y'all different variations, but I'm not even going to because it doesn't even matter. I'm leaving it just like they are, and this is how I'm gonna sport them. The only thing is I might go in, because I don't ever, dude, there's only 2 times I tie my laces. It's when I'm getting a mosh pit or plan on running from the police. And I'm not doing either one of those in these shoes. Oh, my box is making noises at me. Splinter shoes, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Shelltoes. Get you some.